Okay, what about this one? Ito yung eufy cam 2C. Can you tell us a little bit more about this one?
Okay. Actually, ito pa yung inaabangan kanina pa.
Sa tweets. Oo, yan yun.
Oo, and si eufy cam 2C actually.
Grabe mong suspense to.
Yeah. sorry sa mga viewers, but ito na yung sagot why sinususpense ko siya kanina.
O ano, dapat maganda yung sagot.
Yeah, sobrang ganda ng sagot dito.
Yan na.
With eufy cam 2C kasi, it has a built-in LED light.
Okay,
Yeah.
what does that mean?
For example, at night, di ba?
Oo.
Madilim.
Mm.
This one, it has a built-in parang flashlight siya to further provide more colors during at night. And at the same time, kunwari may intruder na papasok sa home mo or nagtatry pumasok sa home mo, pwede mo siyang i-flash para mas matakot pa siya na pumasok sa home mo or sa ano. Diba?
Okay. Actually, bago mo dagdagan yun, meron akong mga clarifications. Yung una, sabi mo, meron siyang built-in LED.
Oo,
Diba?
LED light.
Pero nasa loob. I mean, like, if someone passes outside your home, hindi naman nila may kiting ilaw, di ba?
Hindi.
Nasa loob lang siya nung camera. Pero pwede mo na siyang gulatin.
Yes, pwede mo siyang gulatin. Oo.
Gusto ko ito.
What a question. What a question, guys. Anong balak mong gawin with this light, babe?
Pag dumating ka sa bahay, tapos let's say may bahay na tayo.
Tutukan mo lang siya.
Please don't. Only for mga gustong pumasok ng bahay natin. Huwag sa akin.
Tutukan mo siya ng ilaw.
Ilawan mo lang siya.
Yes, pero actually nakikita ko yung ilaw dito. So, ito yung maliit pero malakas yung ilaw na yan. Ooh. So, I think that's really perfect if you want to take a picture of the perpetrator. So, clear na clear ang
siya.
mukha niya dyan, no?
Yeah.
What if hindi perpetrator?
Ako lang ba yun? Kakainis
What
to.
if this is someone who just wants to visit you?
Oh, you can
Ba't
also
mukhang
take their
perpetrator
photo.
ba?
Bakit kailangan mayroong masamang element? Di ba?
This is a security episode, babe.
Fine. So, who is the ideal person who will use this device? Someone who assumes na may perpetrator?
It's actually similar to the eufy cam 2 Pro.
Okay.
But it has just this added feature na flashlight. Actually, it depends on your preference at the end of the day. So if you want, just to add with the eufy cam 2C kasi, it has a shorter battery life compared to the eufy cam 2 Pro. Si eufy cam 2 Pro is 365 days, while si eufy cam 2C is only at 180 days.
180 days.
Pero ilang hours of charging?
4 din. 4 hours din.
4 hours.
4 hours, 180 days. Sulit pa din.
Yes.
Still very long.
Yes. So it depends lang din talaga sa preference ng consumer. If he or she wants to have a longer battery life with 2K resolution, go with the eufy cam 2 Pro. With the eufy cam 2 Pro. But if you want something na added feature like the additional flashlight for your added protection, we go for the eufy cam 2C.
Which one would you go for, babe, if that were you?
Oh, me personally, I would go with the 2C so I can see your face. Yes.
This is the one with the flashlight,
Yes, with
right?
the flash.
Yeah, that's what I would go for also. Para pag pauwi ka pa lang,
So, kanya-kanya talaga lang mga preference when it comes to home
Kasi
security.
for me, the 4 hours, 180 days, I'm good with that.
Oh, that's half a year.
That's half a year. Yeah. So, babe, you and me, like we'd invest in these security devices. But can you tell all the listeners, the viewers, why they should invest in security devices?
Yes.
Well, first, like what I mentioned earlier, here in the Philippines, the criminal rate is really increasing year by year. Second is that now that people are traveling, we really need to protect our homes from these criminals or from these intruders.
From these perpetrators.
So, these security cameras talaga is an investment eh. Without the hassle, without the additional manpower that you're going to do or to avail when you install a CCTV, This is a better alternative for the CCTVs, etc., etc. And at the same time, in terms of electricity consumption,
yan.
Oh.
Kailangan natin pag-usapan
Yeah.
yan.
Kamusta yun?
so yun nga, since you're just going to charge it once a year or twice a year, you can really save a lot of money from there. Instead of like buying a CCTV, that you'll need a direct electricity from a socket or
Parang kailangan na-connect sa outlet.
kailangan
yan,
na
diba?
connect sa outlet, diba? So,
Gets.
yun din yung isa sa mga reasons why they should invest on wireless security cameras of eufy.
Oo. Kakaiba siya eh. Tsaka napakadali lang.
Yung convenience, I think, is really
Yeah.
the driving force. Diba?
I also really like the fact that the footage is very easy to access. May I ask if the footage is nakasave siya sa phone mo mismo? Or how do you go back
In time. Grabe.
Oh my gosh,
Talaga,
how do you-
we're in sync. We're in sync.
Oh my goodness. We're in sync sometimes.
yeah.
Okay.
Grabe.
So, the footages kasi, it's being saved in a memory card.
Okay.
Sa loob ng camera?
Sa loob ng camera.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a good
Then-
question, babe.
Then, the footages that was being saved from the memory card is also being shared on your phone, so that you can see the footages via your phone. And once the memory is full, you can just delete the footages from on your PC or on your phone.
Oo.
Then at the same time, and then after that, may refresh na yung
Yung memory.
yung memory
Memory
ng
card.
camera. So, it's really hassle-free talaga.
Oo, hindi. Tsaka okay din yun kasi with there being a physical memory card, at least for the indoor camera, you know the footage doesn't leave the memory card, eh, di ba?
So,
Oo nga, no?
yeah.
So pwede mo lang siyang palitan, di-delete mo, ganyan.
Yeah. Or save it.
Yeah,
if
save
you
it.
would like to
Oo.
record something.
Yeah.
no?
So the footage is just there with you. Pwede mo siyang balik-balikan, pwede mo siyang i-delete. Pero yun din, I think what's good with that is it doesn't leave you the footage, di ba?
Tama. It's not just all up in the air.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whatever that is. Even I can't
it's
figure
so
out.
difficult
Yeah.
to comprehend.
For all the PLDT Home subscribers who want to level up their home security, check out all the products under PLDT Home Security Devices, which includes eufy security cameras.
Get it as an add-on to your PLDT Home Fiber plan for as low as 199 pesos per month. Visit pldthome.com/eufy for more information.
199.
Hi, I'm Alfred Laquian. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the PLDT Home YouTube channel.